Hi guys, in this session I am going to explain while loops with example. And before going to the actual example, I want to compare for loop with while loop. First comparison. For loop starts with the temporary variable, but we need not to initialize explicitly. Whereas in while loop, for to initialize the temporary variable, it is to be explicitly initialized to some value. If, otherwise, it gives an error. And a second comparison. In a for loop, you checks for the condition for to be false. If it is false only, for loop will execute. For example, if it is the end of the character, it will checks for the end of the character. If it is false, then only it enters into the loop. Whereas in while, it is checks for the true value. True, if condition is true only, it iterates. Otherwise, it will terminate the loop. While in a for loop, what happens is explicitly we need not to increment anything. It will automatically checks for the next index value in a sequence or in a string. Whereas in a while loop, what happens is it is to be explicitly we have to mention how to increment, how much to increment. We have a choice. It mean need not to be incremented by 1, need not to be decremented by 1. It may be any number of times, any number of values we can take. So one more interesting point is for in a for loop we will make utilize this for loop for predefined times. If we know how many times we have to iterate, then only we will make utilize for loop. Whereas in while loop, there is no predefined uh, times to iterate. If we are using a while loop, means that we does not know how many times it is going to iterate when we are doing a uh, program, when we are executing a program. So just for comparison, I am explained. More details you can get in future sessions, and in this session I will explain with one example what is the while loop, how it works. I'm taking a temporary variable I equal to 0 while I less than 10. Yes, it is an incremental statement, incremental instruction or statement, we can say anything. What we are using here, these both statements are increment by 1 only. Both increment by 1 every time it iterates. Here it is the fifth line is very uh, reliable and gives a good performance. So we need not to use this fourth one, fourth line in operator, incremental statement. So I hope you understood, and I try to run it. Yeah, it is executed from 0 to 9. Here what is happening? I is the temporary variable. It's a variable we are using in iteration. value is initialized to 0, you may initialize to some other value, any value. In this example, I taken as a 0 as a initial value. I'm iterating with the while loop for while loop to condition to be true to enter into the loop, whereas if it is false, it becomes terminated. For first time it is 1, value is 0, it is iterated, I is incremented plus 1, so I becomes 1, it condition checks, and it is true, so it is entered into the loop, it printed 1, and it goes on like this till the 9, it will true, condition is true, so it is iterating for 10 value. For I equal to 10 value, what happens is this 10 value checks for the condition 10 is not less than 10, so it is false, so it completely exit the loop, it comes out of the loop. I hope you understood. Here I want to show you how it breakpoints will work. I want to debug it. Okay, first time I value is 0, I is incremented. Okay, now it is I value is printed 0. If you step over, it checks for the condition I value is 1 at this time, I value becomes 1 in a next iteration, it becomes a 2 in a next iteration, it checks for the condition, it is true, it is printed. Okay, it will continue. So I values changing one by one, it is incrementing every time with a plus 1. So I hope you understood. I'm removing this breakpoint. It is the normal execution. After while loop is exited, the normal execution sequence will continue. I hope you understood. I see you in the next session.